quietly and punctually with a gentle vibration, and by so doing, without disturbing those around you. It won't allow you to get bored, turning the usual morning jog into an enthralling competition, having chosen an opponent well matched to you, even if they're on the other side of the world.
Go, go, go!
With the technology of a wireless payment system, it will replace your wallet as well as your apartment and car keys. And what's more, it will assist in keeping tabs on your finances, helping to control your expenses. It will keep an accounting of your nutritional input by tallying up the calories of food that you buy in the store and deducting the calories which you expend through physical activity. In addition, it will not only keep track of your weight, but also the nutritional value of your diet, indicating to you in a timely manner any deficiencies or overabundances of vitamins and trace minerals which you require, observing the chosen diet. It keenly feels and understands you so well that it can easily determine if you will like a new movie or not, even before you have watched it. It won't let you down, and at the point where different people's tastes collide, it will help to find common interests and choose music for you and your partner, matching both your tastes. The perfect assistant is like a person